I would now request Dr. Khalid Naseem, Administrator, Hamdard Public School and Hamdard Village School, to give the vote of thanks.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. I am here to present the vote of thanks for today's online event hosted by Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, along with Hamdard Public School, Karachi. We heard in this virtual conference the youth delegates from Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, Peshawar, and Quetta, speaking on this year's topic, building a fairer, healthier world. We also heard Ahmed Ayman from Turkey. Their speeches were full of knowledge and information. On behalf of the hosts, I would like to extend our thanks to them. We received a video message from Dr. Ahmed Al-Bandari, the Regional Director for the Eastern Mediterranean region. Thank you, sir. We are grateful for your message. The Vice President of Madinat Al-Hikmah and the Chief Executive Officer of Hamdard Laboratories, Waqf Pakistan, Mrs. Fatma Munir Ahmed, very kindly read out the message of Dr. Palita Mahipala, World Health Organization's representative based in Pakistan. Our sincere thanks go out to him as well as to Mrs. Fatma Munir Ahmed. Today's chief guest is Dr. Yasmin Rashid, the Minister for Health, Government of Punjab, who sent us a video message. We would like to sincerely thank her for the same. Dr. Sara Salman, head of the World Health Organization's sub-office in Sindh, is today's president of the conference. She deserves to be thanked for her presence and her wonderful speech, which she delivered just now. She also gave out the names of 2 winners from Pakistan in the poster competition. And one such winner is from Hamdard Village School. Her name is Isha Ahmed, and she has won $100 US. So I would like to also congratulate her on behalf of Hamdard Foundation and Hamdard Village and Public School. While talking on this subject, sincere cooperation and assistance came from Hamdard's offices located at Lahore, Rawalpindi, and Peshawar, backed by some superb cooperation from Sayyid Muhammad Arsalan and his team from Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, Karachi. Our special thanks go to Senator Roshan Khurshid Bharucha for arranging students to participate at short notice. Thank you, madam. Thanks also are due to the principal of Hamdard Public School, Mrs. Shaista Anwar Zaidi, for helping us in our preparations for this first time online event. Thank you, madam. Before concluding, a word of praise for Miss Wajiha Azam, the compare, who conducted this event with poise and grace. And finally, a big thank you to the driving force behind all such innovative events, the president of Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, Mrs. Sadia Rashid. She continuously guided us until the very start of this event, which was first time for all of us. So thank you, madam. To all of you, wherever you are, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Khalid.